Hello everyone. So today, now we are going to look at how to convert all these rendered images into a movie using the shortcut video editor. Shotcut is a free software for video editing. You can download it from shotcut.org, I think. Let us search for shortcut. There it is, and then you can download the software. So once you have installed the software, you'll have to open the file and just select one image at a time. Okay, just select the first one and the image will come here. We'll have to go to properties, and you can close certain windows and open certain windows. So here duration we're going to say 1, and then we're going to say image sequence. Okay, and when you do that, the image sequence will play. Okay, so then again we go to playlist, and then you drag this image sequence here, and now you will see that the duration is 2 seconds and 22 frames. Okay, you drag it down in the timeline. This is the timeline here. Okay, and then you can see the animation. Okay, now we need to export it. So if you go to the export window, there are different options for export. Everything gets cluttered, so I'll close these windows and open the export window so you can see what is happening. So I'll export it for YouTube. Okay, and from timeline is good, and then you go to export file and you decide where you want to save it and give it a name, and then you click on export, and then that movie will be exported. Blender, animation 1, ball bounce, render new, and here is the movie. So if you open it with, I'll open it with QuickTime, and you have your ball bounce animation. I'm not very happy with the camera setting. The first one looked better, but the process is the same. So that's how you can create your animation, render it, and then export it using free software Blender and free software Shotcut.